Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie an Owambe style gele, and the measurement for this style of gele is 50-50. You're going to make 5 to 6 pleats and place in front of your model's head or your client's head. Then you cross at the back. Just watch carefully. Please guys, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys, I appreciate. After crossing at the back, you bring forward and start making your pleats as seen. When making your pleats, ensure that the spacing is equal, and also your pleats should be on top of each other. Just watch carefully how I do it. And that is it. You repeat the same on the other flap. When you're done making your pleats on this other flap, you tie with a rope to secure, because we are going to make a bow. Then you place the first one that you pleated under the second one. That's what is going to cover the flap to form the bow. Just watch carefully.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Ensure when pinning is tight so that it doesn't move. After that, we proceed to start making our bow.
I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
When you're done making your bow, you proceed to cover the back and then do finishing touches. And there you have it. Voila. This is our statement gele, our Owambe gele. When you take this gele to your party or a traditional marriage, they are going to feel you, confirm. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.